Welcome to Neli's Nook. My name is Neli, and today we will be doing a two-sided photo book art with sloped top. So we will be, I will have two patterns again. This is my front pattern. This will be on the top, and I will be shaping the top on the top of the slope. So the first thing what we will do, I decided that I want to have 12 centimeters my length of my slope. So I marked it already for myself, but depends where you want your slope. If you want 12 centimeters, just grab another. If you want a 12 centimeters, my that's not the right one. Here we go. For 12 centimeters, you can mark it any depth you want. So if I have a 12 centimeters over here, I can go from here to there. So my slope could be this way. If you want a deeper, or if you want a more shallow, you just measure 12 centimeters and you can have a shallow slope if you want. Okay, so I decided to have a slope right over here, this little one, and I want to make sure that my book is holding. It has to be perfectly straight. And what I will do will be cutting. Now we will start attaching the strips. Okay, so I will shape my top of my pattern over here. So I will attach the bottom to the edge, and the top I will be cutting as the pattern goes. So I will be doing the straight line over here. You can attach the whole strip, and it will be nice flow of the pattern, definitely, and it will cover everything what you just cut. Or you can attach it as a shape. So I'll try to do it as a shape. There we go. That's how it will look. I have some little imperfection on my towel because I realized that I have a dull blade. So that's not That's not the best.